Congratulations. Work so hard to vacation. They ain't never had the dedication. People hate.
Hey y'all, today we're doing a product review for the Janet collection. Today's product review is for the Janet collection and Femi collection's Loc Extensions. Janet collection was kind enough to send me some Loc extensions to test out. Each package comes with some cute hair jewelry. It's like some spirals and some cowrie shells and some twine. The locks they sent me are 18 inches. They can be bleached, they can be dyed. As a hairstylist, I hate those words. I hate them with a passion. They can be colored and they can be lightened. Each package contains a do-it-yourself installation hair guide. And this is what you can expect inside. If you'd like a more detailed tutorial on how to install Loc extensions, I'll add a link to my video on my channel. Let's get into this hair. They got curls on the ends. Which I like. It gives it a very natural look. Sometimes blunted ends can look kind of fake. The hair is very soft, very pliable. These locks are very tough too, from what I can tell. And when I say tough, I don't mean like tough like stiff, but they're strong like real locks would be. It's in a off black, dark brown color, kind of what most people's natural hair color would be. 10 locks come in each package. The locks are 0.6 centimeters around, so roughly I'd say this is about the size of a Sharpie pen, which isn't that big, honestly. I know a lot of people like really small locks. 0.4 centimeters, which is about a pencil size, is very popular, but you really could do no wrong with this size. This size it's very strong. It's actually very close to the size that I have in my hair. You would need, I'd say, anywhere between 6 to 8 packs, depending on how big the person's head is, the density, which is the thickness of the hair. So roughly about 60 to 80 locks is what you would need for a full head. I actually have the pleasure of installing these on a model today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe. So before we start this install, I thought it would be a good idea to do a color test on these extensions and also give you a brief look at my shampoo/color room. Because I'm only coloring one strand, I'm using a 30 developer, which is pretty high, not the highest, but something that will color the strand pretty quickly. I'm gonna allow this lightener to sit on for about 15 to 20 minutes. So after rinsing, this is the level that I was able to achieve. There are no weak spots. The lock is still very strong. This is about a level 7, which is a dark blonde. Next, I'm going to do a curl test. When it comes to sectioning your client's hair, You want to make sure that you're sectioning the hair to match as closely as possible to the extension that you're installing, especially human hair lock extensions, because this is intended to be permanent. It is important to part your client's hair accordingly. Definitely make sure your client sees the parts and approves of them before moving on to the next step. Again, this is intended to be permanent. I've now taken the colored lock from under the dryer and it curls. So this hair will definitely hold a curl or a crimp. This total install took about 5 to 6 hours to do. She has a total of 70 locks. As you can see, her hair is pretty dense. But installing times may vary depending on the size of your client's head and the density. I must say I'm very happy with the outcome of this install. I'm very excited to see what else Janet Collection is going to do with this line. I'm hopeful to see more sizes that'll become available, because I know a lot of people that would be very interested in smaller sizes, but I'm definitely happy with this size and the turnout of this install. Of course, I couldn't let my model leave without doing a little bit of styling. So I did my favorite go-to style, which is 2-strand twist. Once she takes this down, it'll be like having a whole nother hairstyle. So this is my finished product, complete with style. I'm very happy with how this install turned out. I definitely look forward to purchasing from the Janet Collection in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to like and subscribe.